A reading from the book of the prophet Jeremiah. This is what the Lord said to me. Go, buy yourself a linen belt and put it around your waist. Do not put it in water. So I bought the belt as the Lord ordered and put it around my waist. The word of the Lord came to me a second time. Take the belt you bought, the one you put around your waist, and go to the torrent Pira. Hide it there in a hole in the rock. I went and hid it as the Lord instructed me. After many days, the Lord said to me, Go to the torrent Pira and get the belt I ordered you to hide there. I went to the torrent and dug up the belt, but it was ruined and good for nothing. And the Lord said to me, In this way I will destroy the pride and great glory of Judah. These wicked people who refuse to heed what I say, these stubborn people who go after other gods to serve and worship them, and they shall become like this belt, which is now good for nothing. For just as belt is to be bound around a man's waist, so was the people of Israel and Judah bound to me. It is God who speaks to be my people, my glory, and my honor, but they would not listen. The word of the Lord.